Alright. So can you just go ahead and put your hands on your back for me real quick? Thanks. You can give her your cell phone.
What are you doing?
I'll tell you in a second. I'm just detaining you for right now. These aren't too tight, right?
No.
Okay. Just don't twist your hands too much. Alright, I'll walk you over to my car and I'll explain everything to you, okay?
Am I being arrested?
I'll explain it to you in a second, okay? Go this way. Here, I'll watch the bush. You have a concealed carry or anything in the state of Florida?
No.
Okay. You ever been arrested in the state of Florida?
No.
You ever been arrested in general?
No.
Okay. Where were you born?
Bronx.
Bronx?
New York.
Okay. I'm from upstate New York, so. What do you do for work?
I'm an actress.
Oh, okay. Like TV or
Both.
what do you act in?
TV, movies.
Well, like, like
I
any
did
like.
a film called Clueless.
Oh, okay. Are you in any shows right now or anything?
No. I taking a break. I did politics for a while.
That's like, what do you mean? Like you
I
were?
was a Fox News contributor.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Deputy's just going to search you real quick.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
You got any clothes on or not? I have underwear. I won't do that to you.
You have a bra or anything on?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm just going to have the seat in this vehicle. Thank you. Watch yourself getting in. I'll explain everything in a second.